Hello friends. Welcome to another new video from Tech Brethren. In today's video we will share 10 absolute coolest electric cars for kids. So, let's begin the show. Number 10. MODERNO Kids 2-seater ride-on truck. Sure, it's a big ticket item, but well worth the extra money if you want a truck that can carry two. It also boasts a maximum speed of 6 miles per hour, so thank goodness there are seat belts for two. In addition to the seat belts, it does a great job of taking safety into account. The soft start, accelerator and electric brake system are so similar to a real vehicle. Your kindergartner will pretty much be ready to take his permit test. Number 9. Best Choice Products Ride-on Lamborghini Sports Car. Ride-on cars don't come much cooler than this startlingly realistic Lamborghini look-alike. The swing-up doors make a statement, so your tot will be the talk of the town in this badass automobile. But rest assured, your kid can't get too drunk on sports car speed and power. This Lamborghini maxes out at 3.7 miles per hour and comes equipped with parental controls. Number 8. ROLLPLAY Chevy Silverado ride-on pickup truck. Fit for heavy lifting, this pickup truck can carry an impressive 130 pounds of weight, so feel free to have your child invite her friends to ride along in the back. With 2 functioning doors, an opening tailgate, and many more realistic details, this whip is a winner. Number 7. Lil Rider ride-on toy motorized sports car. With a max speed of 2.6 miles per hour, you can let your toddler take the wheel of this sporty little thing and still feel okay about it. But this car is far from boring. In fact, it has every detail you could conceive of to complete the driving experience: working headlights, a seat belt, and sound effects galore. Number 6. Best Choice Products Bentley Convertible 12V Ride-on Car. If you can't afford a Bentley, you can live vicariously through your child as she drives the stylish kitty version. If the luxury aesthetic alone isn't enough to sell you on this swank number, keep in mind that it also features a remote control for grown-up intervention and an auxiliary outlet so she can get Baby Shark out of her system before coming back into the house. Number 5. Power Wheels Disney Princess Jeep Wrangler. Don't be fooled by the cutesy kid themes. This Power Wheels design lives up to its name and packs a serious punch, reaching a speed of 5 miles per hour. It might not boast all the bells and whistles of other more realistic ride-ons, but you might find it comforting to see your toddler behind the wheel of something that looks like it was built for a kid. Number 4. UENJOY Kids 6V Electric Ride-on Car. This cute and cost-effective car makes realistic engine sounds and has a honking horn. Like your own vehicle, this battery-operated bad boy has a gear shift, gas pedal and highly simulated steering wheel for the full driving experience. But don't worry, you're still the keeper of the keys. Parental remote controls allow you to double lock both doors and even steer if your kid's lead foot and poor driving start to freak you out. Number 3. Best Choice Products 12V Ride-on Truck. This Jeep wins all the points for most realistic ride-on car, and parents say that's precisely why their kids love it. The behemoth boasts plenty of brawn and is primed for off-roading adventures, thanks to its traction wheels and spring suspension system. Safety first, though, this model also features an adjustable seat belt and hard-to-miss LED headlights. And did we mention the working radio? Number 2. PEREGO John Deere Ground Force Tractor with Trailer. If your kid loves construction and helping you with yard work, he'd probably prefer a tractor to a Ferrari. This puppy features a dual speed function so he can vroom as fast as 4.5 miles per hour. But don't be scared, mama. Parental controls provide the option to lock out the faster gear so you can make sure your child chugs along at just the right speed, and the flip-up armrests are basically begging for a slow-paced country roll. Number 1. HAUCK-E Batmobile Electric Ride-On Car. Your budding vigilante can stay busy busting bad guys in a superhero-themed cruiser. This Batmobile has an adjustable seat to grow with your child, and it can drive forward and backward, so if you have a small space, your kid can conceivably get his kicks just going back and forth until the battery dies. Reviewers rave that it's easy to assemble and durable to boot. Okay, so, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe now this tech channel. So, see you next time. God bless you.